Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Malaysia, and over here I teach small creatives how to create the life that they want through not just the strategy, but mainly the mindset it takes to do so. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Last week's video, I shared 3 things to help make your life easier. In this video, I'm going to share you with you 3 more. So if you haven't seen last week's video, I'm going to leave it linked down in the description so you can watch that next. Get yourself 6 little tips, little gems to help make your life easier as a YouTuber. Because it's tough on these streets. It's hot. I had to turn off my fan and my air conditioner to film this. I got this beaming hot ring light. Work hard, play hard. So my first tip for today's video on how to make your life easier as a YouTuber is to do test shots before filming. Really play around with the lighting and play around with the angling and play around with the frames before actually filming, because through doing this you can find the best look for your video. You could, default to the first thing you see, but there could be a different angle and a different way that you can position your ring light or whatever lighting you have that can make your video look better. So really test out the best way to do things. Do a mic check. See where you can put the mic where it makes the best sound quality. Don't just default. Put some effort in to really make it the best of your abilities. And it really does make a huge difference. It's those little things that make a big difference. Like when I first started this video, I had the camera like I was like, when I first started recording, I was like sitting, the camera was like this close, and I was like, okay, maybe I should like back it up. Maybe I should just like, make sure that the blazer's in a shot. Pepsi just happened to join the shot. Like, I didn't plan that. And I was like, I want to make sure that like the couch is showing, the shelf. I have like this shelf above me, but I'm going to make sure that it's cut out for the actual video. You can always edit some things out once you film that are in the frame. Really be strategic with your shots and do like some test shots to see what works best. I had to like tilt my ring light because I realized through tilting my ring light, it actually gives me more of a glow than just like having it stand alone, because it's like closer. And when you do test out those shots, also play them back and see for yourself if they look good. Don't just be like, okay, this is good. Like really look back at it. Take out your memory card, put it in your computer, and see how it looks on a computer screen. Because sometimes the camera screen well, not everyone has like the whole flip thing, but sometimes when you're looking at yourself from the viewfinder, you don't see all the details until you put it on a computer. So sometimes I'll be filming and I'm just like, I look good, I look fine. And then like I'll put the memory card in the freaking computer after I've already taken off all my makeup and I'm ended the day and I'm not ready to like reshoot anything, and I'll realize there's lipstick on my teeth. And it's too late. Now I have to film it all over again. So instead of dealing with that, just go ahead, test shot, do the most, because doing the most will make it come out the most quality, the most best, if that's a word. Second thing you can do to make your life easier as a YouTuber is to automate your description. There's a way where you can go in and automate your description. If you do know how to do it, go ahead and do that and skip to this time to the next tip. Insert tutorial. So you're gonna go ahead and click on your YouTube Studio. Once you get on YouTube Studio, you're gonna go and look for the settings. And once you get inside of the settings, you're gonna go to your upload defaults. And in your upload defaults, you can have some things in default that you wanna always be in your description, like what your channel is about, what you're about, and how people can reach you. This helps YouTube to be a lot easier, so you don't have to keep writing the same thing over and over for every video. It's just there. You want to have where people can reach you. If you have a freebie you want to give your audience, your social medias, I have all mine linked below if you want to check me out. And you can also automate your hashtags. So if you always want to have certain hashtags, you can do that too, but I don't really do that because each video is different. So I usually put different hashtags for each of those videos. Third thing you can do to make your life easier as a YouTuber is to be the first to comment on your video. If you're not the first to comment on your video, make sure as soon as you upload your video to comment something to engage your audience. and pin it to the top. So when someone is watching your video, they'll see that comment and they're most likely going to respond to your engaging question versus telling them to comment and they don't really know what to comment. Like, you can tell someone to comment on a video, but what I often have noticed, I do this myself, is like people will look at the comments before they even have a call to action in the video. So if they see the call to action already in the comments, they're more likely to reply, and that will make more engagement on your videos. There are some videos, most times I'll get the first comment responding to a comment that I pinned to the top, asking my audience an engaging question that had to do with the video. So try doing that if you are struggling with getting more engagement. That'll be something to start up a conversation besides just shouting it out on your channel. Like, also have a call to action on your channel, you know, ask them to comment something down below on your channel, but you can also, like, it's also good to put it in the comment section just in case, you know, someone doesn't have the time to finish your video and see that call to action, because, you know, we're all busy. Not everybody, you know, our attention spans are getting thinner and thinner these days. But yeah, those are 3 things to help make your life easier as a YouTuber. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and make sure your post notifications are turned on so you don't miss out on my next video. I hope you guys all have a great day. Make sure to believe, build, and achieve, and I'll see you in the next video.